What's going on, guys? Papa Rug here. And
Dennis here.
We have Dennis again in the video. I hope everybody have a great day today. And today we're gonna have a new video for you guys. Me and Dennis, and we have Brandon is gonna help us too.
Finishing my thumbnail, but I'll be there.
He's finishing his video. It's gonna be up today too. So today we're doing a candy challenge. Like
Guess the candy challenge.
guess the candy. So I'm gonna be sitting. I'm not gonna see anything, blindfolded, and then they're gonna hand me candy, random candy, and I'm gonna eat them actually and see. I have to guess, right? Yeah, I have to guess what kind of candy it is. I don't know. I eat a lot of candy.
And there's
Should
no
be
like,
easy.
and you just put it and you eat it. That's it.
Right away. Okay,
Yeah.
so they're gonna hand it to me, and I'm gonna eat it right away, and I'm gonna guess it.
See how much candy you eat.
I know Halloween is over, but we have a lot of Halloween candy, so hey, it's okay.
But it's a use.
Yeah, well, let's start it.
So you're gonna sit down?
Yeah, I'm gonna
blindfolded?
sit and sit over here. I'm excited. Okay, I can't see anything. You guys give me good candy to guess, not like stuff and it's weird. You know Halloween candy they
Always
have.
joy.
Okay, so we're gonna start choosing the candy.
Yeah.
Alright.
Dad, can you see through that thing?
No, nothing.
How many fingers, Ron?
Where? My finger?
No, guess how many fingers I'm holding up.
I'm gonna guess 3.
Okay.
Okay.
It was 2.
It was 3?
Candy.
No, 2.
Candy number 1.
Hey,
Hold on.
when you laugh, that means something bad.
No, it's not bad.
Ooh.
We'll just say Brandon ate it, so.
What do you got?
Hold on. Open.
No feeling, you just gotta eat it right
You
away.
ate
Yeah.
before I eat.
Why, you smell it?
No, but I can
You hear the-
hear you chewing.
Okay, don't feel it or anything, just put it.
Gummy bear.
Nope.
What do you mean? That's gummy bear.
It's a gummy, but it's not a bear. I'll give you a hint. At the end of a sentence, you put a.
Hey. Okay.
No,
No.
he's saying, what do you put at the end of a sentence?
Oh, when I put my video, dot.
Yeah.
Dots.
Dot.
That's what he said.
I know. That's
Oh,
So what is it? Gummy dots?
no, there's just
Just
dots.
dots.
Just dots?
Yeah.
Yes.
So we give him that one?
Yeah, we'll give it to him.
Okay. 1.
Ding.
So for this one, can you see it, Dennis?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Dad, this one, do not smell my breath because you could actually tell what this is.
Why are you eating it first?
Yeah, don't eat.
I didn't go trick or treating. I was watching the Suns game, which we won, by the way. Okay, Dad. Don't smell my breath. Put it.
What's that? Chocolate. Hershey chocolate.
Steve Harvey said, "Be more specific, please."
Tootsie Poo. Tootsie Poo.
You know what he means. You know what he means.
Tootsie Pop. Tootsie Pop.
What are they? Tootsie Roll?
Tootsie Roll.
Tootsie Roll.
Yeah,
We'll give it to him. We'll give it to him.
Okay,
2.
for 2.
2 for 2. 2 for 2 for Papa Rug.
Yeah. Do I have to eat the whole thing?
we'll get
That's
to that.
easy. What kind of candy did they give out this year? No, that's hard. Oh, here. Oh, I know why this one, because...
Do you want one?
Not one.
Don't bite out of it.
I'm not.
That's double dip, whatever.
Double dip. Ew, not yellow.
Mm-hmm. It was good.
Okay, well, this opens out of the wrapper. Okay, Dad. Don't bite out of it.
How about the taste of the chocolate? It's still in my mouth.
That's what makes it hard. Okay, open and put right away.
Oh. this? I don't know. Gum?
Gum? No, not gum.
There's a song about it. Girl,
Here, I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint,
sing
Dad.
it. Girl, shake that.
Girl, take that. No, here's the hint, Dad. For this certain candy, you like yellow.
Lemon.
No. For the candy, it's
Yeah.
a certain type of candy. You like the yellow one of this candy.
Oh, Starbucks.
No, Laffy Taffy.
Laffy Taffy.
Okay, so you got 2 right and 1 wrong.
So 2 out of 3.
Okay, here, there's the last one. So if you get this one right, you win. You get 3 right and 1 wrong. But if you get this wrong, then it's 2-2, and you have to do 1 more. So if you get this right, you win. Dennis, can you help me look?
Yeah.
So if I get it right, it's over?
Yeah, if you get it right, it's over, because then you got 3. So it was first one for 3 candies. Hold on.
This one?
Something easy like, Snickers.
This one I'll give you 2 so you could guess it easier. Hold on, it's in a bag, sorry.
It's in the bag.
Bro, this sound.
Squeeze the bag.
No, I already opened the bag. Okay, here. I'll give you 3 so you can taste it easier. Okay, here. Go. Wait, you didn't like that candy?
What? What is it?
I don't know, it's M&M.
That's not M&M.
Yeah, it is.
It was M&M's, right?
Oh my god. No, wait a minute.
Ow!
Ron, I had nothing to do with it. I was recording.
Hey, I just made the sound.
I was recording.
Oh, you have to do something. This is come on, we have a game of candy challenge.
You blindfolded and expect me not to do anything?
Oh my, you have to do something. You have.
Hey, I don't even know what's going on.
Oh my god, it's a candy. What
Wait. Ow!
candy challenge?
Hey, my dad is a master of dog food. First, the dog food and the burger prank. Every time we do a challenge, my dad ends up doing the dog food, and now
That's how close he is with Bosley.
Yeah, that's how.
Wait, Ron, I swear I was getting candy and then he went over there.
That's not
There
fair.
wasn't any more good candies, Dad.
Come on, we said candy challenge. I was doing good. I guess 2 out of 3.
Yeah, but now you could put gone wrong. So I helped you out with the title.
Oh.
Hey,
Was it good?
Did you put M&M with it?
one M&M, 2
What?
dog food.
I crunched the first one and I said okay, and then the second one is Jesus Christ.
Yeah, but if you want to get close to Bosley and you want him to love you, he'll respect you after this. He'll respect you a lot. I'm sorry, Dad. You can't be blindfolded in this family. Let somebody else do something and expect not to get pranked. It's impossible. Dennis.
Where did you come from? Dennis is supposed to give me the candy. You've been eating it.
Yeah.
You guys ate so
No, look. I've been trying to eat this for an hour, but I can't open it.
We found a wrapper on Dennis's shirt. Evidence.
Oh my god, okay, so I got pranked. Oh my god, why?
Nothing to do with it, Ron.
Dennis, you were making the scrunching sound of this to hide the sound of the dog.
Yeah.
Dennis is supposed to hand me the candy. Where did you come from?
Dennis said he was-
We were making a video.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even finish. Dennis said he wanted to record. Dad, I'm sorry, I had to do it.
So it's over, I guess. Did I win? At least.
You took your blindfold off. So technically,
Alright guys, I guess that's what it is. They have to end it somehow, something. They have to put in the candy. So I ate a dog food. And actually it was with M&M. It was kind of good and gross. the first bite I bite the M&M, and then the second one was like the crunchy one was the dog food. Oh my god. Mixed with M&M, what should we call it? Dog and M?
Dog and M.
The dog and M?
Dog and M's.
Anyway guys, that's Brandon. Brandon.
fuck. The Suns won. It's okay,
Yeah,
Dad.
the son won. Okay, for this punishment, you do the outro for me. I'm gonna make sure you do it right, the way I do it.
Okay, drop a like if you like. That's how he does it.
Anyway guys, thank you for watching the video. Thank you Brandon for helping. Yeah, I wish you didn't come and help. Thank you for Dennis, the cameraman. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like if you like. Subscribe if you do. Turn on the notification button.
My nose is big. You have to.
And then that's Papa Rug.
Brawadis.
Dennis.
Danish.
Dennis. Peace.